This is the moment. Hi! Got the box, people! Yes! Oh my gosh. Okay, and look over here. Set up my Christmas tree early because this feels like Christmas morning to me. Trusty utility knife, ready to go. Oh my gosh! Okay, I gotta hold it up just a little bit more so you can see. Look, this box. Oh crap. Oh my gosh, books! Books! Okay, so this is what, oh, there's so many. The tattoo textbook. 5 years of work. Look at that thing. It's amazing. Oh my gosh, look. Wait. 237 pages. 5 years of my life! Oh, feels incredible. Especially when I stroke it thusly. I'm a published author. This is like unbelievably mind-blowing. Okay, so, I mean, I won't go on and on. Anyway, the people who have already pre-ordered these for me, I will get them out probably early this week. And then if you know of anyone else who's interested in tattooing, just send them to my website. That would be shellydax.com/the tattoo textbook. And thank you to everyone who helped so much with this process. This is incredible. I feel like a kid, seriously. Like it's my birthday, it's Christmas, it's everything all rolled into one. Thank you.